High in the breathtaking heights of the Himalayas, a fascinating substance slowly emerges from within the rocks. This sticky tar-like resin, ranging in color from pale yellow to deep black, is Shilajit. For centuries, this natural wonder has been revered in traditional Indian Ayurvedic medicine. Shilajit, meaning conqueror of mountains and weakness, is believed to embody the strength and resilience of the Himalayas themselves. Formed over centuries from the decomposition of plant matter and minerals, Shilajit is a complex substance. It is a rich source of fulvic acid and over 84 minerals. These elements contribute to its diverse health benefits, making Shilajit a subject of fascination for both traditional healers and modern science. This ancient remedy, once shrouded in mystery, is now gaining global recognition as a potent source of natural healing. Ayurveda, the ancient Indian system of medicine, places high regard on Shilajit, classifying it as a rasayana. In Ayurveda, rasayanas are revered for their rejuvenating properties and their ability to promote longevity and overall well-being. Shilajit, in particular, is believed to balance the body's vital energies, known as doshas. This balance is essential for maintaining good health and preventing disease. Ayurvedic practitioners have traditionally used Shilajit to address a wide range of health concerns. These include promoting vitality, enhancing cognitive function, boosting immunity, and supporting healthy aging. Shilajit's multifaceted nature makes it a valuable tool in the Ayurvedic approach to holistic wellness. Modern science is beginning to unravel the secrets behind Shilajit's traditional uses. Studies have shown that Shilajit exhibits potent antioxidant properties. These properties combat free radicals, protecting cells from damage and reducing oxidative stress. This antioxidant activity contributes to Shilajit's potential in promoting healthy aging and preventing chronic diseases. Furthermore, research suggests that Shilajit may support bone health by increasing bone mineral density. This is crucial in preventing age-related bone loss and reducing the risk of fractures. Shilajit's potential benefits extend to male reproductive health. Studies indicate that it may enhance testosterone levels and improve sperm count and motility. While further research is warranted, these findings provide promising insights into Shilajit's therapeutic potential. Incorporating Shilajit into a modern wellness routine is relatively simple. It is available in various forms, including resin, powder, and capsules. The resin form can be dissolved in warm water or milk and consumed. Capsules offer a convenient and standardized dosage option. The recommended dosage of Shilajit varies depending on the individual's needs and the form being used. It is best to start with a low dose and gradually increase it as needed. Shilajit can be taken in the morning on an empty stomach or as directed by a healthcare professional. Its earthy, slightly bitter taste can be masked by adding it to smoothies or herbal teas. While Shilajit is generally considered safe for consumption, it's crucial to address potential safety concerns. As a natural product, Shilajit's quality and purity can vary depending on the source and manufacturing process. It is essential to choose Shilajit from reputable sources that provide third-party testing to ensure its authenticity and safety. Furthermore, as with any supplement, potential interactions with medications or pre-existing medical conditions exist. Individuals taking blood thinners or those with iron overload disorders should consult with their healthcare provider before using Shilajit. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should also exercise caution and seek professional advice. Responsible use and guidance from healthcare professionals can help mitigate potential risks. Shilajit, with its ancient roots in Ayurvedic medicine, is a testament to nature's ability to provide powerful remedies. Its rich mineral content, antioxidant properties, and potential health benefits make it a fascinating subject of study. As we delve deeper into understanding its mechanisms of action, we uncover a wealth of possibilities for enhancing well-being. However, like any potent substance, Shilajit demands respect and cautious use. Prioritizing quality sourcing, understanding appropriate dosage, and seeking guidance from healthcare professionals are crucial steps in harnessing its potential benefits safely and responsibly. By embracing both ancient wisdom and modern scientific understanding, we can integrate Shilajit into our lives as a valuable tool for supporting our journey towards optimal health and vitality.